Go get it. That's good. That means you hit it really good.
I'm hitting really good, Dad.
Go get your ball, quick. Come on. Come on.
Daddy, I'm hitting really good.
All right, give me your ball.
Okay, Dad.
Where's your tee?
Right here, Dada. Right here.
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm your best friend.
You sure are.
Okay.
You hit it really far, huh?
What color is
Look
that?
how far away he is. He rocked that one. Bubba hit it really far.
Cool, just do it right there.
No, come on, buddy.
Come on, let's do it together.
Where's Cole? Do you have your tee? You got it in your hand?
You got your ball too?
Can you speak? Does your voice work? Can you talk? No? No?
You can talk.
Alright.
Let's do it again.
Alright, give me a tee. Give me a tee. This time hit it the right way.
Okay.
The right direction.
Okay.
Hold on. Let's get Bubba's tee down. You're aimed that way, Cole. There you go. Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good hit. Alright, get your tees. I'll get it. Get up. The ground's wet. You're getting your shirt clothes dirty. Alright, come over here and give each other a high five. Say good job. Boom. Let's see this. Boom. Alright, one more time. One more time. Okay?
Why? My tea, Dada? Why, Daddy?
You don't want to do it again?
Yeah. Yeah, you.
Oh, careful. You almost hit me in the head with that. Alright. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. On 3. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Good job. Pick up your tees. Alright, I'll meet you up there. I'm going to go get the cart, okay?